All right, this is going to be solving systems of equations by elimination. So first off, I look at this system of equations right here. I have 3x plus 2y equals 1, and 4x plus 3y equals negative 2. And I look and I say, okay, will any of these variables cancel out if I were to add straight down? Would they get canceled out? And look at the 3 and the 4, they won't cancel out. The 2 and the 3, they won't. So I got to multiply it by something in the first equation and by something in the second equation in order to get them to match. So I would look and say, okay, the 3 and the 4, I'm going to multiply, well, the common number here is 12, because 3 times 4 is 12 and 4 times 3 is 12, and the common number here for the 2 and the 3 is 6. So what I would do is I would choose the y's because that number is smaller. So what number can I multiply the 3 by in order to get 6? And that would be 2. And what number would I multiply the 2 by in order to get 6? And that would be 3. But realize that these have to be different signs, so one of them I'm going to make negative. I'm just going to pick the top guy to be negative, and then I multiply them across. So distribute the 3 to all of those, and the 2 likewise to the second equation, giving the new equations negative 9x minus 6y equals negative 3. And distributing the second equation will yield the following second equation. 4. Now we can do our elimination because we have negative 6y and positive 6y, so those will cancel out when we combine straight down. Negative 9x and 8x yields negative x. Negative 3 and negative 4 yields negative 7. Next step, divide by negative 1. X equals 7. After that, we'll take our x value, we'll plug it back into either of the first two original equations. I'm going to pick the first one because it looks a little simpler. So I plug it in for x. So x is 7, so I put 7 in right there. 3 times 7 plus 2y equals 1. That whole equation stays the same, except for the only thing, x is now 7, because x equals 7. 3 times 7. And after that, we just do our steps for solving the equation for y. So subtract 21. Those cancel out. And 2y equals negative 20. Final step, divide by 2. Y equals negative 10. Of course, don't forget to write your answer as a coordinate point, 7, negative 10.